Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on Aeroclean technology stock, or we can say AERC stock. So in this video we are talking about its price analysis, news about its share prices, share prices and other things about the stock and the company. So today's
Share prices, analysis, news, updates, and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important and interesting. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and also press on a bell icon for the future update. It was one of the stock that we covered in our recent video and has this was the biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let's have a look at them.
Aeroclean technology, it was trading at 5 US dollar with a positivity of 1.21% in previous closing. So I ended the video. Thank you for watching till end.